What is the photosensitive compound in the human eye made up of? The photosensitive compound in the human eye that helps in the vision is called rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is made up of two components, that is opsin and retinal. Opsin is a protein that is found in the photoreceptor cells, that is rods and cones of the retina. And retinal is a light absorbing molecule that is derived from vitamin A. So, when the light hits the retinal, it changes the shape and triggers a chemical reaction that helps convert the light into electrical signals, which are then sent to the brain, allowing us to see. So, the answer here is option B, opsin and retinal. Whereas coming to option A, guanosine and retinol is an incorrect answer because guanosine is not involved in photosensitive process. Option C, opsin and retinol. So this is also incorrect answer because retinol is not the active form, that is retinal is the active form or active molecule that participates in the light detection process. So option C is incorrect. Option D, transducin and retinine. This is also incorrect answer because transducin is a G protein involved in the signal transduction in the retina, and it is not a part of the photosensitive compound, and retinine is a form of retinol. But this is not a standard terminology for the molecule involved in vision. So the correct answer is option B.